Hello students, today we will discuss about computer second chapter, that is charts in Excel. So firstly we discuss about what is chart. A chart is a powerful tool that allows you to visually display data in a variety of different chart formats such as bar, column, pie, line, area, scatter, surface or radar charts. With Excel it is easy to create a chart. Here are some of the type of charts that you can create in Excel. Now we discuss about column chart. A column chart is a graph that shows vertical bars with the axis value for the bars display on the left side of the graph. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. You can use a column chart when you want to compare values across categories are organized along the horizontal and vertical axis. Second type, that is line chart. A line chart is a graph that shows a series of data points connected by straight lines. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. You can use a line chart when you want to show a trend over time, such as days, months, or years. Use a line chart. If you have tags, labels, dates, or a few numeric labels on the horizontal axis, each line in the graph shows the changes in values of item, such as you can show changes in your weight over a period of time. That is all from my side. Thank you. Hello students, today we will discuss about third type, that is pie chart. A pie chart is a type of graph that displays data in a circular graph. The pieces of graph are proportional to the fraction of the whole in each category. In other words, each slice of the pie is relative to the size of that category in the group as a whole. Pie chart give you a snapshot of how a group is broken down into smaller pieces. Now fourth type, that is bar chart. A bar chart is a graph that shows horizontal bars with axis value for the bars displayed on the bottom of the graph. It is a graphical object used to represent the data in your Excel spreadsheet. You can use a bar chart when you want to compare values across categories. The category text is long and difficult to display in a column chart. You want to show duration in a graph. They are just like column chart, but they use horizontal bars instead of vertical bars. Now fifth type, that is area chart. An area chart is a line chart with the areas below the lines filled with columns. Use a stat area chart to display the contribution of each value to a total over type. Now sixth type, that is scatter chart. A scatter plot is a two-dimensional chart that shows the relationship between two variables. In a scatter graph, both horizontal and vertical axes are value axes that plot numeric data. Typically, the independent variable is on the x-axis and the dependent variable on the y-axis. The chart displays value at the intersection of an x and y axis combined into a single data point. The main purpose of a scatter plot is to show how strong the relationship or correlation between the two variables is. The tighter the data points fall along a straight line, the higher the correlation. Now seventh type, that is surface chart. Surface chart is a three-dimensional Excel chart that plots the data points in three dimensions. You can see the kind of the surface which helps us to find the combination between two kinds of data points. A typical surface chart is consist of three variables, that is x, y and z. From these three variables we can them into two sets, that is independent and dependent variables. Two variables will be independent variable and one being the dependent variable. So in such a way, Excel surface chart shows the relationship between data points through mesh surface. Now eighth type, that is radar chart. A radar chart compares the values of three or more variables relative to a central point. It is useful when you cannot compare the variables and is especially great for visualizing performance, analysis or survey data. That is all from my side. Thank you.